In today's video, I'm going to teach you typography design tutorial in Canva. We'll start by mastering the core typography principles that make any design look polished. And then we'll create that eye-catching fruit text wrap effect using Canva's Typecraft app. First, let's set a strong foundation. Think hierarchy. Your title should be the largest element, your subtitle a bit smaller, and your body text the most modest. This size relationship guides the viewer's eye in the right order and makes your layout feel intentional. If everything is the same size, nothing stands out. So choose a clear focal point and scale from there. Next, build contrast. Pair a bold serif for headlines with a clean sans serif for supporting text, or vice versa, to create visual interest without confusion. For color, high contrast is your friend. White text on a deep navy or charcoal background reads beautifully, while light gray on pastel can disappear. If in doubt, increase the difference in brightness between text and background. Mind your spacing. Kerning, which is the space between individual letters, keeps words from feeling awkward or cramped. In Canva, nudge kerning until letter pairs look even. Then adjust line height so multi-line text breathes. Too tight, and it's hard to read. Too loose and lines feel disconnected. Aim for a comfortable rhythm that matches your font style. Finally, limit your font choices. 1 or 2 primary fonts are plenty. You can still create variety by using different weights or italics within a single family. This keeps your design cohesive and professional. Now, let's create the wrapped text effect. Start by uploading a clear image of an object, like a banana or a mango, and place it on your canvas. Size and position it where your composition feels balanced. Then, open the Apps section in the Canva editor and search for Typecraft. Launch it. Enter your text and choose a bold, impactful font. Anton is a great option for strong shapes. Use the dot points around the text preview to drag and reshape your words so they hug the contours you want. Think about how the curve of the text can echo the curve of your object. When you are happy with the shape, click Add Element to Design. You can always reopen Typecraft later to tweak it. Adjust the text near the object by rotating, nudging, and scaling until the relationship feels natural. For a layered, three-dimensional look, duplicate your object, remove the background from the copy, and place that copy over the parts of your text that should appear tucked behind the object. This creates that convincing wrapped illusion. And that's it. Thanks for watching.